Hello everyone, my name is Zhou Jieshen. Our group has a total of 4 members. They are respective Chen Zeyi, Shen Lutong, and Xie Haoyang. The topic we want to talk about today is introduction to transformational leadership. Okay, we can see that there are 6 sentences. These are our summaries. We will mention them one by one later on. Okay, then these are our catalogs. The content to be discussed corresponds to our name. Okay, let's go.
你后面发给我，不好意思。
Okay, the concept of transformational leadership was first introduced by James McGregor Burns in 1978. Burns emphasized that true leadership is not just about authority or giving orders. It's about inspiring followers to both shared goals and values. Later, Burns expanded this idea into a few theories showing how leaders can trust, admiration, and loyalty. What this transformational leadership opposite is focus in motivation and innovation. Instead of simply during employees' transformational leaders create an environment where flowers feel engaged and committed. They don't just push for short team reduce. They first long-term development, aligning person growth with organization goals. In short, transformation leadership is about reshaping values, building loyalty, and inspiring people to act more than they thought possible. This foundation will guide us through the rest of presentation. Okay, next. Transformational leadership is built on 4 key elements, often called the 4 I's. The first element is intellectual stimulation. Transformational leaders encourage creativity and innovation. The challenge existing assumptions and ask their team to find better ways of serving and then okay, the second event is individualized consideration. This means that the leader trusts employees as individuals, not just as part of a group. The create different strengths and provide person support. Employees feel valued, which motivates them to contribute more. Okay. The third is inspirational motivation. Transformational leaders communicate a clear and inspiring vision of the future. They know how to generate enthusiasm so employees feel committed to shared goals. Okay.
Hello everyone, I'm Chen Zeyi, and today I'm introduced part 2, transformational leaders. Transformational leaders always begin with a strong and positive vision of the future, but it's not enough to have a vision. They must believe in it deeply and be able to communicate it clearly to their teams. Some might say that transformational leaders is a inseparable part of the team. I think it is true, and they are known for the fairness and integrity. Their introduction are junior and trustworthy, which creates an environment of mutual respect. They are willing to recognize and celebrate the achievement of their employees. One of the important qualities is their ability to inspire. Research has shown that teams led by transformational leaders perform at higher levels and report greater satisfaction. This happens because transformational leaders don't manage works, they connect with people emotionally and motivating employees to go the extra mile. In a team, there always need to be transformational leaders to take the team further. So in short, transformational leaders inspire their employees to believe not only in the organization's goals, but also their own ability to achieve them. So this is my part, and let my teammate to introduce the rest.
Leadership style in practice. Transformational leadership is often called a quiet leadership style. Unlike a certain authoritarian leaders, transformation leaders don't rely on loud commands or strict control. Instead, they lead by example. They show empathy, build rapport, and use inspiration to connect with fellows. This leadership style is rooted in courage, confidence, and sometimes sacrifice for the greater good. A transformation leader is willing to put the needs of the team or organization above personal gain. One of the most powerful practices intellectual stimulation. Transformational leaders encourage active thinking and problem solving with their teams. By creating a culture of innovation, employees are more involved and more committed to organization success. The style also fosters collaboration instead of isolating employees. Transformational leaders bring people together, forming strong, cohesive duties that work effectively towards shared goals. In practice, transformational leadership creates an environment where people feel moved, valued, and ready to take ownership of the work.
Hello everyone, my name is Xue Haoyang. I will summarize transformational leadership. Transformational leadership is a style that combines vision, inspiration, and role models. This leadership originated from Bonds and was expanded by Base, and it still influences leadership research to these days. The key elements to the leadership include intellectual stimulation, personalized consideration, inspiring motivation, and idealized influence. On the other hand, transformational leaders are good at building respect, trust, and loyalty among their followers. They promote open communication, cultural awareness, and consistency between personal values and organizational goals. The impact of this leadership style is profound. Research has shown that it can improve performance, enhance motivation, and increase overall team satisfaction. Most importantly, transformational leadership goes beyond management. It shapes individuals, building a strong culture and drive long-term organizational success. That's why transformational leadership style is widely regarded as one of the most effective and inspiring methods in nowadays workplace. That's all for our presentation. This is our reference, and thank you for guys listening.